of the sign-in page. Looks pretty good, right? Nice looking page.
I like it.
We can do better, though, can't we? I think we can. I think we can.
Best I've ever seen.
Nope. We can do it. I believe in us.
Fine.
Hey, remember static note herder?
Nope.
I'll paste all this in Slack as I do it so you don't have to open it up yourself. But this is how you would do it. In static note herder, we had notes.html, but we also had signin.html. And inside there, we had div class signin with all this stuff. Let's just copy that. And in the sign-in thing, we don't want to forget our on-click authenticate. Let's just paste all that in, fix our indentation, and of course, we have class where we should have class name. So we'll do a quick find and replace. We'll search for class equals so we don't accidentally change any JavaScript classes. Change it to class name equals, replace all. Very good. Still have a few red squiggles because we have some images. And those need to be self-closing. There's one. Here's another. Okay, my squiggles went away. Here's my button again. On click. Authenticate. How's it look? We've got some broken images, but so how did we do that before? So we have quill.svg and google.svg. We copied both of those over already. Quill SVG, Google SVG. We want to import them, right? Right in our JavaScript. So let's import quill from /quill.svg. We have Google provider. I don't want to just call the Google thing Google, so I'll import Google logo from /Google SVG. Change the source on the quill from this string to this JavaScript variable quill. And this image for Google logo. Now we're talking. Yeah. Oh yeah, there was a sign-in with GitHub on there too. Huh. Well, we don't have that working just yet, but keep that in mind. Not going to worry about it right now.
That's the moment I have to worry about.
Got to do something for homework. So we still have this preposterous SVG up there. We could use some style. But I think we're done with the component. So here this is in your friendly afternoon Slack. So back in static note herder, in the style sheet, we have some styles prefaced with sign in and some others prefaced with header. But that header is in the sign in component if you look. Here it is, header class name equals header. So I'm going to copy these over into signin.css. And I copied one rule too many. Now let's see what we get. Yeah. Now we're talking. Does it still work? Yay. Haha. Refresh. Yep. Sign out. Very good. So here's that style sheet. Notice the background image is from unsplash.it. Unsplash it. It's just a place with a bunch of royalty-free images. You can browse them all. See if there's anything that meets your needs. I liked this one for a note-taking thing. And with their API, you can tell it to blur a certain amount. If I took that off, see that. Cool. Style the sign-in page. Now it's up to our standards, our very high aesthetic standards. This does so much good stuff now. But it'd be really cool if we had a rich text editor over here and could do bold and italics and bulleted lists and stuff. That's right. Chugga chugga choo choo. Rich text. We're about... I don't know how many times I have to say it. Don't you cuss at me. All right. Let's go ahead and take our 10-minute break.